My name is Stevenson DeMorsi,
Glorious.
a proud graduate of Lincoln High School, PS 40 and PS number 30. So on behalf of traveling the world, getting to see Japan, going to the Biomedical Symposium in Texas, I sincerely want to thank you guys for the work and the advocacy that you have been doing for these past few years. And also on behalf of the upcoming generation at 40 and 30 school, I'm a little nervous, guys. It's been a long road. Growing up, it was going to 30 and 40 school. It was sometimes, hey, lunchtime is shut down today because of gang this, gang that. And I sincerely want to thank you guys for the advocacy and the community work that you guys have been doing on that effort. With that being said, there's some directions I would like the Jersey City Board of Education to go through that I think I am the capable person to do that. You got it. And I think I am the capable person to do that. The first three initiatives that I would definitely like to kind of start is keeping track of the technology that we use. My first year working at MS4, I had a printer in my classroom, and coming from a charter school background is to do everything yourself. So I got on and called the HP, and they said, hey, for $1, we will send you a packaging label, and you can mail us the printer, and it will get back to you. It took about 2 weeks. That never happened. I would advise not to do that, as all the responsibility will fall on me. But I was fortunate. 2 weeks later, I had a brand new printer right at my desk while my old printer was sitting there, and for $1, I could have got it fixed. So I would like to kind of work on using Google Docs as a platform to work within a district to bring some of those things to light and to cut the cost at those technological difficulty and strikes. I would like to develop our staff in terms of the STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics platform. Jones, we have them moving with Math Jones program. We have NJ Jones Academy program, which are not bearing the amount of fruit that we would like it to bear. I have my lesson plans at hand to help our teachers develop those as well. And lastly, as you guys know, Jersey City allowed 20% of the union jobs in Jersey City to go through minorities and women. However, we have not been able to fill that gap because the students are not able to pass that algebra portion of the test. So I would like to work with the board to work on implementing measures that, hey, let's work on that Plan C, getting you that union contract job in case something unfortunate happens in college. As if with the case, just because you're accepted into college doesn't mean you're necessarily going to graduate for college. So it's great to have that Plan C. So again, I thank you guys for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.